On previous videos, I've picked open these two Chubb Cruisers and I've picked open these two Chubb Battleships, and they've not been that bad. They've been decent locks to pick, but nothing too taxing. But this one is a different kettle of fish. Now, this is also a Chubb Cruiser, but this one really gives me a good fight. I don't know if you can see under the keyway, it's got 996. So this one was made in September 96. It's the square rivet type. I think on the back there is some stamps on there, but that's obviously not from the factory, that's what someone's put on themselves. 661, I think. Same again over there. So it's a lovely old lock. It works like most Chubbs do, really smooth. That's the bitting on the key. So it's got decent bitting, which is probably why it's such a hard lock to pick. But let's see if we can get it again. So we'll stick it in the vice. Like I say, if you pick this in your hand, I just wouldn't have the strength. After a while, they become really heavy. It's all right when you can pick them quick, but I can't pick this one quick. So we're going to use a homemade tension tool, which is just a fold down Chubb key with some nuts and bolts on it. And we're going to use a bit of, I think that's 1.4mm piano wire, and that little thing there was off a Euro cylinder thumb turn. So let's see if we can get this open. I'll probably go quiet, I'll probably go in the zone when I'm picking this one. So bear with me, like I say, this is one of the trickiest cruisers I've picked up to now. I think I've picked about 4 or 5 Chubb Cruisers, and this is certainly the hardest of the bunch. Little bits of movement is what we want. I'll obviously go quiet when I get into that picking zone. If you've ever picked a lever lock and you've not picked a Chubb Cruiser yet, I do recommend you getting yourself one. You can pick them up on eBay. There's loads of them floating around. They're such well-made locks, they last forever, these things do. But they are really nice locks to pick. And obviously they don't all pop open easy, because this one certainly doesn't. Could take a while. I may have overlifted one of the levers. Right, everything's feeling okay at the moment, so just need to keep going over them levers and just checking everything. And we got quite a loud click then. Right, let me just move my fingers around. Sometimes it's nice to get a lock what doesn't give in easy. It sort of keeps your brain going. Because obviously when you're picking it in your brain, you're inside that lock. Well, I am anyway. A little bit of movement again. And we eventually get it. So like I say, that is one tricky lock to pick. So yeah, I think I did it in about 5 minutes, which is probably better than before, because I think it took me about 15 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to gut this lock. I'm not doing it now, but on my next video, I'm going to actually do a gut video, and I'm going to take these rivets out, drill them out, and I'm going to take the cover off it, and I'm going to either make a cutaway in this cover if I can, or I'm going to put a clear polycarbonate cover on it, and then we're going to pick that again so you can actually see what I'm doing, because that is one tricky lock to pick. Don't get shouting at me saying, no, don't destroy a lock, it'll be okay. I can always put rivets back in it if I want to. But as I say, I've got Chubb Cruisers anyway. I've got an old one and a new one. So this is going to be a demo one. So yeah, on my next video, hopefully, we're going to do a video gutting this and then putting a clear front on and picking it again. So that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.